The Clever Fox and the Proud Lion.
In a big green forest, there lived a proud lion who thought he was the strongest of all. Every animal feared him, even the elephants. One day, the lion roared, "No one in this jungle can beat me. I am the king forever." All the animals bowed down except one. The clever little fox smiled and said politely, "O mighty lion, strength is not everything. Sometimes brain wins over brain." The lion laughed loudly. "Ha ha ha! You, a tiny fox, you dare challenging me?" The fox nodded. "Yes, my king. Tomorrow meet me near the old well, and I will show you somewhere stronger than me." The next morning, the lion reached the well. The fox pointed inside. "Look down. Your rival is waiting there." The lion peeped inside the well and saw his own reflection in the water. He thought another lion was growling back at him. Furious, he jumped into the well to fight. But the lion could not get out again. The fox looked down sadly and said, "Pride always brings a fall, dear lion." The animals of the forest learned a big lesson that day. So, my kids, what do you learn from this story? It gives the moral that pride goes before a fall. Intelligence is stronger than arrogance.